for fragrance oils, they come with regular caps, but I like to switch them to these type so that I can easily just squeeze in the perfect amount of fragrance oil that I need. I'll link them below, but they're in my Amazon storefront. I use them all the time, and I switch every single one of my bottle caps for those because it just makes it a lot easier. I like to pour my fragrance oil directly into the pot. That's why these little caps come in handy. I mean, some people just pour them directly into the little beaker, they weigh it out and then pour it in. But with the caps, you can get really precise pouring too. So it's a good little thing to have. We're back on the couch, and it's hard to get any work done when this is all she wants to do, right? Can we talk about how easy it is for me to pour using this funnel? I'm gonna link it down below. It's in my Amazon storefront, but I'm literally doing this with one hand and recording with the other. It makes everything so much faster and no spills to clean up. Freaking love it. Lost power and this stupid Shopify counter just reset. I swear it better fix itself because it was such a hassle. Okay. I have no idea what's happening. But hopefully it's fixing itself because all the time. Okay, I think it is. Yay. One less thing to worry about. Lately, my days have been looking like this. We're in the living room, editing a vlog, enjoying the sunlight coming through. We're not even in the studio. Baby girl is napping right next to me because that's the only way she wants to stay quiet. And we're enjoying the moment. So for the first time in a long time, I'm actually done with all of the orders in my studio. Like there's nothing pending. So we're going out to brunch. So we are going to one of my favorite places that we haven't been there in so long, IKEA. All right, so I need to get a couple of bins so that we can reorganize the studio and to see what else is new there because I feel like I haven't been there since I first put the studio together. So let's go. So I figured I'd do a little chit chat with me while we drive to IKEA. I've been debating whether or not if I want to expand the channel to include more personal content as well. Nothing too crazy. It's not gonna turn into follow me everywhere I go kind of vlog. It's still gonna be predominantly about candle making, behind the scenes of my business, a few tips here and there, but just a little more personal details. Let's say if something exciting is going on, like if I'm having a fun pool day or a barbecue, or maybe what I showed you earlier in the video, like me going to brunch with my mother-in-law, things like that. You know, just like a little glimpse of my personal life here and there. Let me know down in the comments below if that's something you guys would be interested in or if you're totally against it. But I'm gonna do what I want to do, so I'm thinking just a little bit of a sneak peek into my personal life, not too much, but let me know what you guys think.
Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into.
So these little spice racks are actually great for my pop-up events. I actually put them upside down and I use them to stack my candles. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll try to insert a photo, but they're great. I'm just gonna pick up 2 more because I decided to take 2 and put them up in Ellie's nursery corner to actually put her books. So I need replacements.
Give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give
coming in here and just getting inspiration. I want a sit-stand desk so bad, but this is really too long for my space, and then the short one is just too short. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, like that's the little one, and that's too short, but then this is too big. Because a lot of the times I sit, but then I just want to be able to raise the table up so that I can work a little bit better, because you get tired of just sitting all day.
Show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Look at all the cute baby stuff. I need to stay focused. Focus, focus, focus. What do I need? I swear this section has been out of stock for the longest. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's cute. So you can put papers in there, I guess, right? Or is that a pegboard? I have no idea what that is. Okay, this is what I need. Ooh, look at this. This is a new color. It's like see-through. Okay, focus. We don't need that. This is what I have, the really giant ones underneath that's holding all of my fragrance oils. I don't need any more of those. But what I do need are a bunch of little ones like this. So, do I get them with the lid so I can stack them over each other? Or do I just get them like this without the lid? I think I'm gonna go with lid. I'm gonna maybe just two. I think I just need two. And I probably should have grabbed a cart because now I'm ready. Yeah, so I'm gonna take two of these big ones. And then I feel like I need something like this. This is cute, but I don't need it. This is exactly what I came here for. I have a bunch of these. I actually have two of these in the closet, but I like the ones with the lid. So I'm gonna grab two of these. And I definitely should have grabbed a cart because now the stuff is getting heavy. Score.
Around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know.
I think I'm just gonna take this little one. Okay, so what I'm thinking about putting in this bin are all of my glass roll-on perfume bottles in here because I have a lot. I have about 600, so I think I'm just gonna put them in here in the closet, and then the caps and everything that go with it maybe could also fit in there, but like inside of another tiny little bin, and then put it in here. Okay, so I keep coming back to these little things. I don't know what I would use it for, but I think that they will look so cute on top of my shelf in the studio. But I don't think I need anything this small. But I've been staring at it for years and I've never bought it. It's only $2.99, but it's so freaking cute. Like, just imagine a bunch of those lined up on the top of my shelf. But what the hell am I putting in there? Because it's so small. That's the reason why I'm getting these huge ones, like these huge bins, so I can put it on top of my shelf. Just debating whether or not if I actually need something that big. I mean, that little. Think. I swear I can be here all day, but I can't. These green ones are so freaking adorable. All right, focus. Focus.
I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that good.
Okay, so we're back in the car and we're done. I want to say that we were in and out within like 30, 45 minutes. I don't think I did that bad, but let's get home and unpack. Okay, so we're back from IKEA and let's go over some of the things I got. I got a smaller version of this Tupperware because I have these big ones everywhere. So I keep my packing peanuts in here. And I have like 3 of those in the closet with like my jar lids, my candle tins, tea lights, and crinkle paper. So I wanted one more so that I can put my roll-on perfume bottles in here. But I'm thinking I'm not gonna put that in here. I think what I'm gonna use this for is my room spray bottles, my extra ones. I think I'm gonna put those in here and put it in the closet. Now I feel like I might have to go back and get more stuff. I didn't get too much. Oh yeah, I was at IKEA for like 2 hours. I thought I was there for like a quick 30-40 minutes. That didn't happen. Anyway, so I got that, and then I got the how do you say this? The Beckvam bookshelf. I like to use these for my pop-up events. What I actually do is I turn them upside down and I put my candles on top of it so I can have that tier effect. I do have like a tier table that I use. I usually put 2 on the side, and then I put this on the bottom so I can have like 2 layers of candles. I'll try to insert a photo somewhere in here so that you guys can see what I mean. But these are great for that. I use these a lot. And then I got 2 of these bins. I got 2 of these bins with the lids, and my intention is to put them up here and just kind of like fill them with something, and I'll figure out what I'm gonna put inside. I just need to really clean that up. I have 2 more of these in the closet, but the ones I have in the closet look like this. They don't have a top, and they have the handle. And have these in my Amazon storefront, so I'll put the link down below, and it's going to be inside the description box. They do have these available on Amazon, so these are actually really great. These are the lids. I think I'm going to put them up here, and I'm just going to rearrange a couple things and figure out how I want it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to put in here, but now I wish I would have grabbed more. I don't know why I didn't grab more. I think I'm going to end the video here, but just because I feel like this is going to be a really lengthy vlog. I am filming a Q&A. If you guys have any questions that you want to ask me about the business, a little bit of personal life, or whatever, comment down below your questions, because the next vlog is actually going to be a Q&A, and then probably the video after that will be a reorg of the studio. I feel like I've been talking about reorganizing the studio for the longest, but we're definitely gonna do it. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you like today's content, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, see you guys later.